or vitamins that boost circulation and intimacy after 60. Turning 60 doesn't mean your intimate life is over, but for a lot of men, it starts to feel that way. Energy drops, blood flow slows, and suddenly things just don't work like they used to. Most men think it's just age, but what they don't realize is that their body might just be missing a few key nutrients. Here's something most men aren't told. Healthy intimacy relies on healthy circulation. Without proper blood flow, everything slows down. Energy, performance, and even desire. As we age, our blood vessels naturally stiffen. Combine that with poor diet, stress, and nutrient deficiencies, it's no wonder intimacy starts to fade. The good news? You can support circulation and hormonal balance with specific vitamins. No risky meds needed. In this video, I'll show you the 4 best vitamins that can naturally boost circulation and bring your intimacy back to life. Plus, I'll share one bonus vitamin combo that helps men feel more alive, more confident, and more connected, even after 60. So be sure to watch till the end. These vitamins are not just good for your health, they play a direct role in boosting blood flow, energy, and even your ability to enjoy intimacy. Before we begin, if you're liking this topic so far, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it. It helps us reach more people. And let us know where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to see how far this video is reaching. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly health tips. Number 1, vitamin B3 or niacin. Niacin helps widen your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow throughout your body, including to areas needed for intimacy. It also helps lower bad cholesterol, which can block blood flow over time. Why it matters after 60. As men age, blood vessels get stiff and narrow. Niacin relaxes and opens them up, which can help with performance and stamina in the bedroom. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who took niacin had better performance and stronger function, especially if they had erectile issues. Best sources: turkey, tuna, chicken, brown rice, and peanuts. Number 2, vitamin D. Vitamin D helps your body produce testosterone, the male hormone that affects energy, mood, and desire. It also supports strong bones, immune function, and even your heart. Why it matters after 60. Low testosterone is common in older men, and vitamin D deficiency is one of the main reasons. Without it, men may feel tired, moody, and uninterested in intimacy. A 2011 study found that men with higher vitamin D levels had more testosterone and more active sex life than those with low D levels. Best sources: morning sunlight, 15 to 30 minutes daily, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, fortified milk, and cereals. Number 3, vitamin E. Vitamin E acts like a powerful shield for your blood vessels. It protects them from damage and keeps them flexible, which is important for smooth blood flow, especially for physical intimacy. This vitamin also supports hormone production and helps reduce the kind of oxidative stress that increases with age. Why it matters after 60. As we age, oxidative stress can damage blood vessels. Vitamin E helps keep them flexible, so blood moves smoothly, including where it matters most during intimacy. Studies suggest that vitamin E helps improve sexual health by boosting blood flow and balancing hormones. Best sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Number 4, vitamin B12. B12 is essential for healthy nerves, strong blood flow, and good energy levels. It helps your body make red blood cells, which carry oxygen to all your organs, including those involved in intimacy. Why it matters after 60. Older adults often don't absorb B12 well from food. Without enough B12, you might feel weak, numb, or even lose sensitivity, all of which can affect how your body responds during intimacy. Low B12 is linked to fatigue, low mood, and even reduced desire, all issues that can hold men back without them realizing why. Best sources: eggs, beef, dairy, and sardines. And here's the bonus combo that I've promised: vitamin B3 plus L-arginine. If you really want results, try pairing vitamin B3 with L-arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide naturally. Together, they're like a natural performance booster. Niacin improves blood flow, and L-arginine helps maintain it. A 6-week study showed this combo improved performance and blood circulation in men over 50, especially those with mild intimacy issues. L-arginine sources include turkey, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas.